A toast to love, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a beautiful phrase that's often heard in celebrations and special moments. A toast to our love. This phrase holds a lot of emotion and tradition, and we're here to unpack its meaning and use in English. Let's get started. A toast to our love is a phrase composed of a few key elements, each carrying its own significance. A toast refers to the act of raising one's glass and drinking in honor of someone or something. It's a gesture of goodwill, celebration, or recognition. The word "our" signifies a shared belonging or experience, indicating that this toast is dedicated to something held in common by the people involved. Lastly, love is the focal point of the toast, celebrating the affection, bond, or relationship between individuals. Making a toast is a tradition that spans across many cultures and occasions. It's a way to publicly express good wishes, celebrate achievements, or acknowledge important milestones. In the context of "a toast to our love," the speaker is highlighting the importance and beauty of the love shared with someone else. This could be during a wedding, an anniversary, or any moment that celebrates the relationship. Using "a toast to our love" is quite straightforward but holds a lot of emotional weight. It's most appropriately used in intimate settings or gatherings that celebrate relationships, such as anniversaries, Valentine's Day, or romantic dinners. When making the toast, it's common to stand up, raise your glass, and say the phrase clearly and warmly, making eye contact with the person or people you're toasting to. While the act of toasting is universal, the way it's done can vary by culture. In some cultures, there are specific protocols or sequences to follow when making a toast. However, the underlying sentiment of "a toast to our love" remains the same. It's a celebration of a shared bond and affection. It's important to be mindful of the setting and the people present to ensure the toast is received in the spirit it's intended. A toast to our love is a beautiful phrase that encapsulates the celebration of a shared bond and affection. Whether you're making the toast or on the receiving end, it's a moment that signifies recognition and appreciation of love. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding of the phrase and its significance in English. Cheers to love, and see you in our next video.